to create something this close to reality, you have to be able to simplify and understand millions of real-life scenarios. And I think it's with great intent and understanding that we connect ourselves to every aspect of this reality and challenge.
If you do not evaluate the complete spectrum of market forces, then what you can really develop is limited to what you have experienced in the past. But when you are willing to learn to simulate something new, something that you have not experienced or done before, then you kind of open up a whole new world of innovations.
This made us create VstoX, the first ever virtual stock market simulation game in Sri Lanka. VstoX integrates the real-life order placement system, commonly known as ATS, backup operations of the central depository system popularly known as CDS, all into one great financial software. VstoX also has successfully integrated the cash and bank account management of the investors, making it a real-life financial management tool. VstoX is a stock market simulation game for the Sri Lanka stock market, built for the very highest level of reality. It's incredibly close to real-life trading, yet remarkably simple to understand. It's without a doubt the very best stock market simulation game ever built in Sri Lanka. We focused on the features that matter most to investors. We made huge discoveries. This made us allow investors to trade the Colombo Stock Market based on real prices and actually traded quantities, but without the risk of losing your hard-earned money. In VstoX all the stock market conditions are real. It's only the money that is virtual.
VstoX is a virtual share investment simulation game and it does not require actual financial investment or formal registration with CSE brokers. The VstoX is a game played by an individual player, but the player's investment performance is measured against all other players. A virtual cash grant depending on type of the game played will be allocated by the VstoX Bank automatically, immediately when the player registers at the game site. This is a free grant to the player. Therefore, this amount need not be settled. The player could use the above cash grant to buy shares at CSE market prices. As the player buys shares, the bank balance will be updated. Similarly, the player could sell shares from his portfolio and his bank balance would be updated accordingly. Maximum quantity of shares a player could buy or sell of a company would be limited to the actual quantity of shares of the respective company transacted during the day at the CSE marketplace.
You can select the type of game you would like to play from an array of stock market simulation games we offer. VstoX Portfolio Manager is the main portfolio challenge game of VstoX. Players can join anytime they wish. All players who join the game would be given Rs 10 million virtual money at the start. Your challenge is to manage your portfolio efficiently and diligently by using all available market data, research and information. Just the same way you manage your real-life stock market portfolio, you can buy and sell stocks based on market prices and also keep excess money in the bank to earn interest. This game never stops. You can see your performance and compare it with the top players to improve your trading strategy. Most importantly, you will learn how to invest and profit from the stock market without the risk of losing money.
VstoX's simple order execution system allows you to buy and sell shares based on daily market prices. Just like the way you do it in the real market, you can subscribe for warrants, rights, or even to a recently announced IPO. Our software takes care of all capital market activities and gives the accurate end result to the respective output in terms of dividends, rights, bonuses, splits, etc. Just like the central depository system does in the real market. The most interesting feature of the game is the management of cash. This allows players to manage available funds between equity and fixed income investments. This will effectively help investors to change their investment strategies to suit different economic situations. Players can borrow or deposit money in the bank at prevailing real-life interest rates and adopt their own preferred risk profile.
One of the most significant challenges was to integrate the cash management module to the game, which would be similar to your actual bank account with the ability to earn interest and also to borrow money from the bank through margin trading facilities.
Objective of the game is to educate and assist the investors to manage varying risk, return scenarios of the capital markets. VstoX, which seems to be a complete contradict to most other games available in the market, is built for extremes level of precision and accuracy, but at the same time it's remarkably user-friendly. To create it, we rigorously question the ways in which investors and stock market react to various macroeconomic factors. This made us include a separate area for latest news feeds from leading business websites and discussion forums to provide real-life information relating to investments, to help investors to take well-informed investment decisions. Reports, charts and graphs available in the game is a total game changer for the investors. They now can compare and contrast their performance with fellow players, real indices and the real market. The winners are recognized and rewarded. We've been able to make this software close to real-life experience of investing by taking full advantage of the knowledge and experience of the developers who possess wealth of experience in the capital market of Sri Lanka. The results look simply amazing. No other game comes closer to this type of reality.
VstoX is a free stock market simulation game. We offer special features for more advanced members who would like to enjoy the game further. In order to enjoy these special features, you would be required to purchase VstoX points offered by us. You can buy VstoX points in multiple of 1,000. Each 1,000 VstoX points will cost only United States dollars 10. You can use your credit card or PayPal account for these purchases. Features available and redemption costs are as follows. Additional transactions. Redeem 100 points per transaction. Monitor player activity. Redeem 500 points per player. Access game reports and charts. Redeem 1,000 points. Permanent overdraft facility of rupees 1 million. Redeem 2,000 points. Gold membership. Redeem 3,000 points. Platinum membership. Redeem 5,000 points. Privileges applicable to different membership categories are given below. VstoX provides comprehensive help and guidance to both players and investors. These include game guidelines, FAQs, discussion forum, and Facebook page. You can also anytime contact our support team through email.
www.vstox.com, your path to prosperity.